Isaiah is working on his laptop. One of the buttons doesn't work, the mouse button. The enter button doesn't work. And so Isaiah went to Daddy's tool drawer and found a screwdriver that he thought was acceptable to do the job. And now he's working on getting the screws out so that he can fix it. Even though Daddy told him he would fix it. I told him I would fix it soon, but it's going to require a lot of work because I've already been into it. I think I'm going to have to replace the cable, which requires soldering and everything. So anyway, he's having fun. We'll let him play with it for a few minutes. He's on the underside of his laptop right now. So cool. Can you wave at the camera, Isaiah? Can you say hi? Hi. Can you wave? Hi. Okay, thank you. Can you smile? Okay, thank you. I thought I stopped it. It's still recording. Stop.